We are in the very beautiful Suma Beach for my today's video TV vlog. There's a lot of people all the way down straight and this way and there at very beautiful Suma Beach for my today's video vlog. Oh my goodness, I can imagine. This is my very first time to go in mucho hermosa, preciosa el beach. Para la una, el preciosa, el locaciones, hermosa, preciosa. Mucho hermosa aquí el agua, el Suma. Muchas gracias.